This day 7 of the kidnapping murder trial for Christopher Clements. He is accused of killing 6-year-old Isabel Celis in 2012.
Clements was already convicted of killing 13-year-old Maribel Gonzalez in 2014. Last fall, he was sentenced to life in prison for that murder. News for Tucson's Lupita Murillo just stepped out of the courtroom with the latest on today's proceedings. Lupita.
When I stepped out of the courtroom, the judge had called for an afternoon recess. And this morning, I can tell you that a defense witness was taken out of order and was the first person to take the stand. Also, an FBI agent who questioned Christopher Clements before Isabel Celis' remains were found. Defense attorney Eric Kessler called Jill Sena. She lived 1 block from the Celis home. She told jurors her daughter and Isabel were playmates. She said on the morning of April 21st, 2012, she saw Sergio and his son in the neighborhood. She spoke with them, and Sergio never mentioned his daughter was missing. When Sena found out, she joined the search. Also on the stand, a 25-year veteran of the FBI, Tony Taylor, responded to the scene in 2012. He was the FBI's SWAT team leader and was the liaison between the FBI and TPD and provided assistance. Fast forward to February 8, 2017. He responded to a call that came in on the public service line saying Christopher Clements had information on the location of Isabel Celis. Clements could be contacted at the Pima County Jail. Agent Taylor made the arrangements with the jail and spoke with Clements on February 10th. Clements asked to have charges dropped on an unrelated case and to have his car taken out of impound. In return, he would lead them to the location where the remains of Isabel Celis could be found. The state agreed. On March 3rd, he led FBI and other law enforcement officers to Abra Valley and Trico Roads. The agent told jurors Clements said the remains could be found by a large tree with brush underneath. The agents located some of the remains. And coming up at 5 o'clock, a Tucson police detective who was at the scene 11 years ago and is now in the homicide unit. You'll hear what he uncovered. Reporting live from downtown, Lupita Murillo, News for Tucson.